Alright, this is Our Poor Bird, one of our warm-up rounds. So what I'll do is I'll play it through on the piano and sing the words for you so you know it. And then what I'll do is I'll sing it first and I will play it in a round with the piano. And then there'll be space for you to come in as the third part and we can sing it as a round twice through together. Alright? So it goes. Ah, poor bird, take thy flight far above the sorrows of this sad night. Very pretty, somewhat sad little piece, but pretty to sing. Sounds great in the shower. Alright, so I'll sing first and we'll do it as a round. So I'll go first, piano second, and then you third, and we'll sing it through twice. Ah, poor bird, take thy flight far above the sorrows of this sad night. Ah, poor bird, take thy flight far above the sorrows of this sad night. This sad night. So you should have finished there. Alright, so that is Our Poor Bird. Enjoy singing that one, it's very pretty.